You've got this amazing idea. So how do you make sure that people really do listen when you want to pitch it? It doesn't matter what your role is. At some point in time, you're going to have to speak up. Effective communicating, pitching ideas, getting your points across in meetings are all ways to speak up. Being intentional in the way that you speak, paying attention to how you deliver your idea can really help to make people want to listen to what you have to say. In this workshop, we'll be developing the tools to make you an effective communicator and get your voice heard in the workplace. So sign up now and don't miss your opportunity to speak up and be heard. I'm Lisa Hugo, your voice coach.